हेलो।
Hi everyone.
नमस्ते।
Hi. Namaste ji. Um,
मैम का इनिशिएटिव है सेव वाटर एंड गो ग्रीन स्वैग स्वैग मूवमेंट। तो इसका गाना जो है लॉन्च हो रहा है आज एग्जैक्ट 5 o'clock और परिनीता मैम हैं, उनके हाथों से हम इसकी स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हैं अपने स्पिरिचुअल वुड म्यूजिक एंड फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की। तो इट इज़ ए बिग इवेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस अंडर पीएसएस मूवमेंट। और इतना बड़ा धमाका हो रहा है बिकॉज मतलब हम एक इंटरनेशनल चैनल पर बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजें करने वाले हैं हम। सेव वाटर एंड गो ग्रीन जो परिणीता मैम ने एक मेन एक सब्जेक्ट रखा है कि उसके माध्यम से हम किस तरीके से मेडिटेशन के साथ कनेक्ट करें और बहुत सारे लोग सेव वाटर एंड गो ग्रीन से मेडिटेशन से कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे। और किस तरीके से मदर अर्थ को हम बचा सकते हैं विद द एनिमल किंगडम, प्लांट किंगडम, ये सब चीजें। तो परिणीता मैम आप मैसेज देना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज वेलकम।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. This is a great opportunity for all of us. My humble request, let us start this song together as a team. We will all say launch at the same time and we will all launch this together. Please, this is a humble request because this is, we are all like, I feel that we are all one and we are all together and let's do this together as a team. My humble request.
Without meditation, life is dead. If no meditation, no awareness. If no meditation, no awareness. Without meditation, life is dead. Without meditation, life is dead. If no meditation, no awareness. If no meditation, losing our virtues, no awareness, losing our truth. If no awareness, losing our dharma. If no meditation, losing our nature. In the morning, washing our hands, washing our eyes, washing our face, bathing, drinking, using water, lessen its ways. Be aware of your daily practices. Be aware of your life practices. In the evening, washing our clothes, washing cars, washing fruits, washing vegetables. Must be careful while using water. Must be careful and save water. Saving the water will save our earth. Killing and eating animals and birds, spreading nuisance in the environment, spoiling the rivers, oceans and seas. Please stop all this, it's an appeal. Please stop all this, it's an appeal. Stop this. Please stop this. Sustain natural resources of water, mini plants, and big trees, and our family members giving vitality. natural pranic healing, chi energy, the soul of Mother Earth. Go green, go green, go green, go green. Pledge to plant a tree, everyone. Pledge to plant a tree, everyone. Save water and go green.
Hello, my dear friends. Thank you so much for all the love, for all the support, for all the like. This is the most amazing song about Mother Earth and for Save Water and Go Green. Thank you so much for all the love that you have shown towards this initiative. And because we're all in this together, we're all one team, and we should take this forward individually, as we need to feel more responsible towards Mother Earth, because we have taken so much from nature, and it's time for us to give back. कितना सब कुछ हमने लिया है नेचर से, अभी ये वक्त आया है कि हम रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लें, इंडिविजुअल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लें, और हम जितना कर सके, हमसे जितना हो सके उतना करें. And thank you so much. This was just a small idea which came, and I immediately formed a team, and I'm so proud of that team also. And I'm even more happier that the team is becoming much bigger and bigger, and this family is becoming bigger. Thank you so much. And for this song, for Sangeeta Nehra ji to take this beautiful initiative of making this song. And even the bigger news is that we are going into films, we are going into music, we are going into creative arts. So these creative arts are going to bring more and more people into meditation and into vegetarianism. That is the beauty of it. So initially we had started PSMC, which is called Pyramid Spiritual Movie Club. And every Saturday we are still showing movies, entertaining movies, but with also a spiritual message. So we are doing that, but we need a bigger version of this. This creative arts, this spiritual wood that Sangeeta Nehra ji, under her guidance, which is coming up, it is going to go on a very large scale, and we are going to give beautiful movies and beautiful scripts to the world with attainment and enlightenment. So entertainment and enlightenment is equal to spiritual good. So that is what the concept is all about, and thank you so much for this. Let us spread the joy, let us spread the love, let us serve in both ways, in spiritual way and in the environment. Spiritual service and nature service makes us complete human beings. So let us save water and go green by becoming a vegetarian, by making others vegetarian, by making others plant-based. And then let us encourage and inspire everyone to plant trees by being an example. By being an example, we should encourage and inspire everyone to plant trees as much as possible. And I have a small vision that we need to find barren lands, barren hills, like small places, like there's no vegetation, there's no greenery at all. We as a group, we need to choose such kind of places and plant trees. So this is what my vision is all about, and let us all become the true citizens of this Mother Earth. I urge and request each and everyone to please take this forward in your own way, in your own little way, whatever capacity that you can. It doesn't matter whether it is small or big. Every small thing will be appreciated. Every little step is appreciated. Thank you for being part of this team, and let us make this family bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And For that, I want to say thank you, 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 thank you. Thank you so much, Sangeeta Nehraji, for all the love that you have showed. Thank you so much for being the leader over here, for leading this whole event, and for the spiritual wood. Thank you so much for this thing. I can't thank you enough. All of you. Love and gratitude to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you guys. Thank you.
तो परिणीता मैम चाहते हैं कि आप हमेशा हमारे साथ जुड़े रहो और इसमें हम अलग-अलग तरीके से पार्टिसिपेट करते रहेंगे। चाहे जैसे परिणीता मैम ने कहा कि छोटे से छोटा भी जो पार्ट है ना, वो भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। तो हम सब मिलके बहुत बड़ा कर सकते हैं और यही हमारा मिशन है कि वी आर वन, वननेस में हमें रहना है। पर्सनलाइज़ेशन हमारा कहीं पर कुछ भी नहीं है। ओके, तो इस तरीके से हम आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am. And you don't have to ask me to be with you. I'm always yours. I'm always yours for these kind of big things that we all we're all in this together, and I'm sure this is going to rock. And this is a beautiful moment for me, especially because I'm feeling so happy in this moment. I don't know why, but the so much of happiness is there in me, and I want to congratulate and thank each and everyone who has contributed in their own way, in their own manner, because I feel all love over here. I feel all like passion over here. I feel all the crazy love over here. Thank you so much for that. And let's say swag.
और कई बार मुझे याद आता है आयुर्वेदा के, बिकॉज बहुत सारे आयुर्वेदा के स्टूडेंट्स हैं साथ में जिन्होंने इस गाने में पार्टिसिपेट किया है। और मैं कभी पेड़ को देखती हूँ ना, तो पेड़ बोलता है कि इतनी सारी चींटियों को मैं खाना देता हूँ, एक जगह पे तो खड़ा रहता हूँ, इतने सारे पक्षियों को पनाह देता हूँ। और मेरे को अंदर से वो ये बोलता है कि तू क्या करती है, मुझे बता कि तेरा काम क्या है, तू तो घूम सकती है, तेरे तो हाथ पैर भी दिए हैं, फिर भी तेरा काम मेरे से कम है। तो बहुत बार मेरे को ये मैसेजेस आज से लगभग 8 इयर्स बैक मेरे को मिलते थे। तो ये जब मैसेजेस मुझे मिलते थे, मैं उसको लिखती थी कि पेड़ मेरे को कह रहा है कि तुम अभी सही काम नहीं कर रहे हो, अभी और खड़े हो और ज्यादा काम करो। तो अब वो लग रहा है कि वो जो ड्रीम है वो पूरा हो रहा है कि हम इस तरीके से काम करने पे शायद बहुत अच्छा कर पाएंगे। दूसरा मेरे को परिणीता मैम ऐसे फीलिंग आती है कि ना हम आयुर्वेद पढ़ते हैं ना, तो उसके अंदर हमारे जो हैं, जो ऋषि हैं, महर्षि चरक की है कि हम केमिस्ट्री की लैब नहीं है। हम केमिस्ट्री की लैब नहीं है कि हमारे ऊपर रिसर्च की जाए, या एनिमल्स लैब नहीं है कि उनके ऊपर रिसर्च की जाए। हम मदर नेचर से बने हुए हैं और मदर नेचर ही हमें पाल सकती है। मदर नेचर के अकॉर्डिंग ही हमारा फूड, हमारा सब कुछ, वेजिटेरियनिज्म सब कुछ उसी के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए। तो अब लग रहा है कि वो हमारा ड्रीम जो है वो म्यूजिक एंड फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हमारा पूरा हो जाएगा। हम उसको किसी न किसी तरीके से 100% दिखा पाएंगे।
And you have raised a very valid point, madam, that that we are not yes, lab
इसमें कुछ
beings.
करना था
So
तो
see,
अब कम हो
we need to take this on a total new level in the future. Start with Save Water and Go Green, go with environment, everything, and we need to start releasing all the animals from all the kinds of varieties of slaveries, whatever it may be, whether it be for sports or whether it be for animal testing, or whether it be for like keeping them in zoos or whatever. From all kinds of slaveries, animals should be free of human slavery. That is my vision over here. All the animals need to be free, need to be roaming just like we want, just like we are roaming, just like we are going wherever we want to go. Be free. We should let all the animals be free. And that is the reason I have adopted a plant-based food, a complete plant-based food, wherein I do not consume any animal products whatsoever, which includes milk and everything else. Because I've been a vegetarian since my childhood, I didn't have to leave anything. But yes, that the only thing which I had to leave was milk, because of various reasons. I do not want to discuss. I mean, I don't want to get into this. So that is the reason why I became plant-based 2 years ago, and so we need to become totally plant-based, totally compassionate, and totally cruelty-free. So we should not contribute in animal slavery. We need to be an example for that, and then let's take this forward. That's one thing which I wanted to say. Thank you so much. Thank you. Save water and go green.
Save water
and go green.
This is a swag movement. So this is how we entertain the youth. We attract the youth, and by saying swag. So save water and go green.
Save water and go green.
Save water and go
Go
green.
green.
Save water
and
go green.
Save water and go green.
Save water and go green.
Go green.
Great. Thank you so much, guys. And it's an awesome meeting. Thank you so much. And thank you for the lovely song. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
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 हरियाणा देश हमारा जहाँ सारा हरियाणा